Hey guys, welcome back to Co's Adventures. We're getting an exclusive behind the scenes look at the new Brick Planet exhibit in Las Vegas. And I'm so excited to speak with Lego master and artist Sean Kenny, learning a little more about his vision behind the build. So come along with us to the Springs Preserve. Entering the Origin Museum, you'll see this beautiful spring exhibit of a hummingbird in mid-air. I didn't see any strings here, so that is just so mind-blowing to me. This beautiful giant lily and a ladybug with aphids. You guys really need to see the details on this ladybug and the aphids here, which I thought were ants, but obviously they're aphids because what else does a ladybug eat? Can you guess the Lego count here? I can tell you that it is a lot of Legos, and each placards that I'm showing you here tells you exactly how many Lego pieces went into each build. Can you guys see the beautiful colors of this dragonfly? We finally made our way into the exhibit, so come along with us and explore. And here's the Ocean Odyssey room. Look at this seahorse and the coral reef. The lighting in here is kind of like you're in the ocean. Oh my goodness, do I see a hatching sea turtle? Yes, a hatching sea turtle. Look at the details in this turtle. It is so pretty. Oh, what are you building? Are you building your own coral? I like that. Are you a box?
The bunny has a hat.
Oh, the bunny has a hat. So we can find hidden forest creatures behind the tree bark. Oh, what did you find under that one?
Oh, I think a frog.
A worm.
A froggy worm.
And if you want to see everything through Sean's eyes, pick up his Seanoculars where everything looks like Lego. Now let's talk to Sean about a build that's close to his heart.
Put your groceries in it and pedal around. This is how I would take my kids to preschool. This is how I would go to work and get to the supermarket. And I wanted to make a sculpture that just showed regular people having a good time doing normal stuff on a bike. That was really important to me.
This is the community garden area. You'll find it in the very back of the exhibit. This is another interactive area where the kids will have Lego pieces and they can build their own flowers to add to the garden. This is such a sweet little area here. So this is our promise and our commitment to our planet. And you can choose the Lego and put it into the blocks here for your promise. And this one is I will plant or tend to a pollinator garden. I will connect with others to share my ecosystem knowledge, and I will use human-powered or shared transportation when possible. Which one do you think? What are you going to promise?
One more.
Oh, one in each, buddy. Last one. Okay, buddy, high five.
Go.
Okay, high five. did you? So there it was, you guys. This is the Brick Planet, the new exhibit that will be opening up tomorrow at the Springs Preserve. So come down and check it out because it is just amazing. If you love Lego, you're going to love these builds. Super amazing.